Hello and welcome. I'm Mr. Cornwell, and this is the first in a series of videos that will help you use a program called MajorClarity. MajorClarity helps students understand themselves, explore career options, plan for the future, and more. In this video, we'll just be looking at how to log in, so let's get to it. First things first, you'll want to open your browser, probably Google Chrome if you're on your Chromebook. In my experience, it's the best browser for MajorClarity, even if you're pulling it up on a desktop. Click on the address bar and type in platform.majorclarity.com. Remember to start with platform, not www. Once you type that in and hit enter, you'll come to the login page. Go ahead and pause the video so you can type that in and then come back here for the next step. Now that you're on the right page, you'll see lots of ways you can log in. Don't bother with username and password, just scroll on down to the Continue with Google button and click that. You might be asked to choose a Google account at this point. You'll want to use your school account. Oh, it would help if I remembered my own password. That's a little better. Now that you're in MajorClarity, it's time to start exploring. If you've used the program before, like I have, you'll start out on the Career Exploration section. If you haven't used MajorClarity before, you'll first be asked to take some assessments. Don't worry, they aren't difficult, and I'll cover them in the next video. See you soon.